Welcome to World in 2 minutes. These are your headlines. The AK Party regained a majority in Parliament in Sunday's snap elections. It took 317 seats, up from 258 in June 7th's general election. That vote denied the AKP of its majority and coalition talks failed. 54 million people were eligible to vote and the turnout was about 86%. Prime Minister Ahmet Davutoglu said the victory was won for the entire nation. The three main opposition parties, CHP, HDP and MHP, took 134, 59 and 40 seats respectively. A total of 19 bodies were recovered in the Aegean Sea on Sunday in 3 separate incidents near the Greek islands of Farmakonisi, Lesbos and Samos. The islands have been a main point of entry for refugees making the dangerous journey from Turkey. The UN Refugee Agency says since the beginning of this year, about 570,000 people have arrived on the Greek islands from Turkey. More than 360 have died or gone missing in Greek or Turkish waters this year. The ruling New Azerbaijan Party has won a majority in Parliament. The country's electoral commission said it took at least 70 seats out of 125. Parties loyal to President Ilham Aliyev took the rest. Most opposition parties had boycotted the vote. International monitors weren't allowed to send observers. The leaders of South Korea and Japan resumed formal talks on Monday. They were expected to focus on trade ties, North Korea's nuclear weapons program, as well as a long-running dispute over atrocities committed by Japan during World War II. The meeting takes place after a 3-way summit with China's premier on Sunday. The three countries said they would try to resolve their disagreements by facing history squarely and advancing towards the future. They also said they would boost exchanges and cooperate on sectors like the economy and culture. Thanks for watching. TRTworld.com, Istanbul.